Imagine getting paid over and over again for writing just once. That's the power of copywriting. When done right, it becomes passive. And with free AI tools now doing most of the heavy lifting, you don't need to be a professional writer to start. In this video, I'll show you how to make passive income by writing copy for others using tools anyone can access for free. Whether you're a creator, freelancer, or just someone looking for a new side hustle, this could be a game changer. Let's start with some quick facts. Copywriting is one of the most in-demand freelance skills in the world. A recent Upwork report showed that copywriters earn an average of $55 per hour. And on platforms like Gumroad, Fiverr, and Etsy, thousands of people sell templates, emails, and sales copy every single day. But here's the catch. Most of them either don't know how to write persuasive copy, or they spend way too long doing it. That's where AI changes the game. Let's break this down. Passive income simply means earning money without actively working for every dollar. So instead of writing custom copy for each client, you can write once and sell it many times. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Pick a format that sells. The easiest ones to start with are product descriptions, email templates, cold DM scripts, and Instagram captions. People are always searching for copy that helps them sell faster. Step 2. Use AI to generate the first draft. Go to AI Creator Max. Select the tool you need, like product description or cold email. Type in a few details. Click Generate. In less than 30 seconds, you'll have 2 to 3 strong variations. Step 3. Edit for voice and clarity. Tweak the tone to sound like you. Clean up the format. Add a line or two if needed. Once it's polished, save it as a downloadable template. You now have a digital product you can sell. Step 4. Sell it passively. Upload your copy packs to Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Add a preview, price it fairly, and promote it once. From there, it can sell 24/7 without extra work. Bonus tip: bundle multiple pieces into a niche kit. For example, 10 Instagram captions for coaches, or 5 cold emails for service providers. The more specific, the better it converts. And if this sounds exciting, don't stop here. This video is part of a full playlist where I teach you how to use AI to write faster, grow smarter, and finally make your words work for you. Watch the next video to see how I batch a week of content in just 15 minutes. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more no-fluff strategies to grow your income with less effort. Want to try these tools yourself? Go to AICreatorMax.com and start writing copy you can sell without starting from scratch. Try it free, because your first passive income product could be just one prompt away.